Hello everyone. Today I am going to start the poem Father to Son, as I have given you the idea into the live session also. Okay, Father to Son. The name itself, Father and Son. We can see the connection between them. Here in this poem we have given a beautiful relationship between father and son. This poem Father to Son, written by Elizabeth Jennings, means one of the later father has written to the son. What father wanted to tell his son? Inner thoughts. What father is thinking for his son, and what actually father expected from the son, that he has written in this poem. Okay, so Elizabeth Jennings has given a very beautiful concept of this poem Father to Son, in which we can see the bonding of father and son. But here somewhere we can see that when the children become younger, okay, so at that time they just thought that, or they are thinking like that, they are having their own mind. So they don't want to accept any kind of advices from the parents. Okay, they wanted to do actually what they actually want to do. They want to follow their own rules in their own life. They don't want to accept anything from others, even from a parent. But this is the wrong thing, I can say that. You will have to accept your parents' advices. Somewhere, if you are finding that this is not the correct advice for me, so you can discuss with your parent that I do not want to do this. I am thinking about another thing, so you just listen to me. So parent will give you the suggestion on that another advice, whatever thinking by you. Clear? So here father is having many of the expectations from the son, but whereas son is totally stranger for the father. They both are living into the same house, but still they are not talking to each other. They both are looking strangers. Okay, so they both are not talking to even each other. Son is living in his own life. As he is growing, he is getting younger. So now he is having his own life. He is having his own work. He is not having time. So that's why he is not giving time to the father. But father, as he is seeing his son, that is this my son? यही है जिसको मैंने बड़ा किया था. Okay, so he was thinking like that. So in this poem we have given a universal appeal. This is not only one father's problem. In the whole world, पूरी दुनिया में हम कह सकते हैं कि all the father are getting this kind of problem from their children. Okay, so this is the universal appeal to all. This is the message for all the father or all the son. Okay, so we will have to take positive thing from this poem. Let us see the very first stanza, where father is felt something very painful about the son. What he is going to tell us, let us see the first stanza. I do not understand this child. Look at the word, this child. The father has used the word this child. He has not using my child. I cannot understand my child. He has used the word this child, because the child is now totally different. He is not his own child now. He is totally separated from the father. That's why he has used the word this child. I do not understand. Father cannot understand that son. Why he is doing like this to me. Even the expectation is not fulfilled by the son to a father. Though we have lived together now, as they both are living into the same house, under the same ceiling, but still they are not living together. separately, but physically they are living into the same house. In the same house for years, since many years. They both have passed many of the years into the same house. They both are living into the same house, but they are looking like a stranger. Like they are acting like they are not knowing each other. Even the son has not having time to see at least for a moment to a father. So they both are living into the same house since many of the years, but still they are not together in that house. I know nothing of him. Father said that. I don't know anything about my child. Why he is behaving like this? He is totally different from what I have grown him. जैसे कि मैंने उसको बड़ा किया, उससे तो ये बिल्कुल अलग है. And so try to build up a relationship from how he was when small. So father wanted to get back that relationship. Which kind of relationship he wanted to get back? He wanted to get back that relationship he has shown his child when he was in childhood. In childhood, the son was literally very different. Son was giving love to father, but now he was not even having time to love his father. So that's why father tried to build up that relationship again, whatever he has felt into the childhood of his son. So he won't get back that relationship. Yet have I killed the seed I spent or sown it where the land is his and none of mine? Means he has raised the question. Whatever the seed I have sown, that seed I have killed. Child is grown up like a seed. As the child is grown up, the seed is also grown up into the plant. And child become the younger adult. Okay. So both the process are same. So here the father has compared the child to a seed. Okay. So have I killed that seed or have I sown that seed onto the another land? Okay. As the son is growing up, now he is having his own thoughts, he is having his own mind. There is no space of father in his heart. फादर के लिए कोई जगह ही नहीं है उसके पास. ओके, इवन उसके दिल में भी जगह नहीं है. So that's why the question raised here for father that the seed I spent or sown it wherever I have sown the seed, the land is his. That land is of his son. That land is not of father. That is not father's land. That is of son's land, and that's why son is doing whatever he wanted to like to do. He was totally ignoring father. He was not even giving respect to a father. Why he was doing like that? क्यों ऐसा कर रहा था? Even the father cannot understand this thing. समझ ही नहीं पा रहे. We speak like strangers, as I have told you. They both were living into the same house, under the same ceiling. Then why the son is doing like this? Son is literally looking like a stranger to a father. He is not even talked to his father. There is no sign of understanding in the air. There is no sign of understanding. They both are not even understanding each other. Father tried to understand his son, but son is not accepting his father. So what can father do? Father wants many things. Father wants that relationship back. But son is not accepting that father. Father is growing older. So now he needs the support of his son. But whereas the son is not ready to help his father, even not ready to give his little bit time to his father. So that is the totally wrong thing. This child is built to my design. Obviously, my design. Father said that. This child is of my design. Obviously, each and every child is looking like his parent or her parent. their face should be like his or her mother, or their face should be like of his or her father. या तो हमारा फेस अपने मदर से मिलता है या तो फिर अपने फादर से मिलता है. So we are the mold of our parents. We are having the design of our parents. So this son also having the design of his father. Okay, the child has built up with the design of father. Yet what he loves I cannot share. But still father cannot understand. He is having my kind of face, my shape he is having. Okay, body structure is also looking like a father, but what he thought father cannot share. Father is not knowing even single thing about son. As he is grown up, so now he is having his own freedom. He want to be a liberal. He want liberalism. So where he don't want to accept his father in his life, he is having his own life. He is having his own world. He is having his own family. He is having his own friend. Where there is no single space or a place for a father. यहाँ father की कोई जगह ही नहीं थी. So what the father can do? Okay. So father over here is literally felt helpless. Who was in grief? वो काफी दुखी है. Who was complaining through a poem, to whom he can share. Then my child is not talking to me. To whom? Because in the world, each and everyone wants to make us fun. वो तो मजे ही लेंगे ऐसी चीजों का. Okay. So that's why father just informed this thing through the poem to each and all. So that's why this is the universal appeal. This is not only for one father. Every father into the world felt the same, or they are feeling the same right now also. Because in this advanced world, the child growing up too much earlier than we are believing. They are getting their own thoughts in younger or teenage. And thus they wanted to do, or they wanted to move in their own way, where they don't want to hold their parents' hand. They want to go alone in their way. But somewhere we need also parents' help too. So don't ignore ever your parents. You will help to you will help to your father, you will help to your mother, okay, and you will have to give your quality time to your family also, okay. So please respect your parent as much as possible. Give your time to your parents, accept their advices, okay, and give them a respect. Obey their rules and regulations. This is the way to give respect to a father or a mother. So this is the first part I am sending you. The second very last two stanza I will send you into the part 2. Till then you just refer this video. I will ask you question regarding this poem into the live session. You can ask me whatever the queries you are having into the live session. Till then, stay safe, stay home. Thank you.